Start eating your yogurt, Charlotte. Is that delicious? What flavor is the yogurt?
Pink.
It's pink.
Yeah.
That's a strawberry yogurt.
It's strawberry.
Yeah, can you say strawberry? Strawberry.
I eat strawberry.
Yes, strawberry yogurt.
It's my breakfast.
Yeah?
It's my breakfast.
What color is your spoon?
It's green.
You have a green spoon.
Yeah.
Is it a big spoon or a little spoon?
It's not big.
It's not big, it's little.
It's little.
It's little.
Big one.
Okay.
Messy.
Okay, don't make a mess. No mess. You're doing a good job. Nice bite. Do you like yogurt? Yep. It does look delicious.
I'm almost eating.
Yeah, nice job. Nice job. Can you say goodbye to the camera? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, camera.
Can you say see you later?
See you later.
Can you say hasta luego? All right. Okay, bye-bye.